everyone, it's me Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting, and I wanted to take a minute to share a little border tutorial with y'all. We shared an all over concentric flower filler not too long ago where we had the circle and kind of, I don't even know what kind of flower it would look like, but it was just a concentric flower fill. And as I was playing around with that fill, I thought how cute would it be to add little gnome hats to make a super cute little springtime border. So if you guys are like me and you love doing cute little things on your quilt tops, this is going to be a fantastic little addition to your repertoire. So let's take a minute and quilt something fun. Alright, so we're going to do a super fun border design that is going to be flowers and gnomes. Essentially, I showed you guys that concentric circle, kind of flower and a flower. I did a 2-inch sashing with 2-inch divisible blocks. And what we're going to do is we're going to come in and we're going to do a circle. And then, ooh, we maybe should have made these like longer, shorter, longer, shorter. We'll do our flower petal. Okay, these are just guidelines. Then you'll travel over. We'll do our gnome's little nose. Okay. We're going to come with a wavy line up and a hooky hat, and then we're going to do in, down. Come around to the flower. We're going to do our circle. We're going to do a petal, 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 gnome's nose, come around. Do our little hat, 1, 2, 3, and down. Okay, so we'll go ahead and give that a try and see how it stitches out. So I'm going to start this first one right in the center of my flower. Uh-oh. Okay, we're going to do our center of our flower, come up, wave. You can put the cute little lines in there, follow it. It's kind of like a tooth feather. If you're not sure how to make the flower shape, you can watch the concentric circle video. It's a good one. The concentric flower video. Come up and make his nose, make the hat, swoop around, line, 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 back down, over, feather center, petal, detail, feather, detail, flower petal, that's like a tooth feather, detail, back across the bottom, gnome's nose, wobbly hat, 1, 2, 3, down. And again, feather or center of the flower, tooth feather, and another feather detail, follow your border, nose, come up and around, hooky hat, 1, 2, 3, and around, back down his nose. So you're kind of using those circles as a means to get up and into your design element. Take a quick look-see here. We've got our little gnomes and our little flower border. How cute would that be with all that different gnome fabric that's out here to put something like this in a plain border that's bordering, some of your cute little gnome fabric blocks. Super adorable. Definitely get out your fabric, pen, pencil, give it a try. Try a little design, it's super cute. Thank you so much for joining me for today's border tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it and that you get out your machine and you quilt something fantastic. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel above so that you can ensure that you're getting all of the new videos as they're coming out. I love to get out new content and share it with you guys as often as I can. And don't forget to share it in your Facebook groups. Comment below, leave likes, thumbs up. That's the only way that YouTube's going to show it to more people. So again, thank you guys so much for joining me. Again, I'm Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting and I appreciate y'all being here. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye!